I know that it can be very brutal, it can be very cruel, it can be heartbreaking, it can sometimes feel like you don't know where you're going from here.
Learn to love yourself, learn how to move on. It's actually very important stuff because the most important person here is yourself. And to be honest, it's actually yourself, right? So societal stuff is not even one of the things you want to start considering.
Think of the people you're going to leave behind and think that if you're feeling this way today, you're probably not going to feel this way tomorrow, in that week, in the next month. So if you're going through something hard, if you're going through something difficult, please reach out to someone.
A lot of people out there that wants to have you and treat you like a cupcake, literally.
Problems shared are half solved. It's not just a quote. I mean, it's a cliche because cliches work. When you talk to someone, you feel better because you're not just the person feeling this hurt and this pain. We all go through moments of pain and heartbreak.
That you actually break up with someone doesn't actually mean that you're bad. Or doesn't mean that you suck, rather, right? So
breakups are not just about relationships. When you break up with a friend, someone you know since primary school, and something happens and you guys grow apart, I mean, it hurts even worse than relationships. So suicide is not an option at all. Reach out to someone, talk to someone, and just know that at the end of the day, I promise you're going to be fine.
One love. Peace. Hi guys, my name is Ebubokaf. Welcome to the 4th episode on the Talk Shop. Today we're going to be talking about something very interesting, right? The craziest stuff you've done after breakup. But before we go on, I think something is missing. And can you guess what?
Of course you're missing something. You're missing the key ingredient of the show. You're missing me. So hi guys, Winifred here, and like he said, which had like a boring introduction, by the way.
Knock yourself out.
This
I am
is like
awesome.
the
Everybody.
4th episode of the Talk Shop. Drum rolls.
Anyway,
so today we are talking about relationships, but the breakfast part. So when somebody serves you breakfast, like
hot one,
national cake, you can reach everybody. So like we're talking about the craziest thing you've done after a breakup. So this conversation was inspired by a video that was going viral on social media. So let's take a quick look at the video and then we'll get right into it. On the road, in front of everybody.
What is she dey pick? I don't.
She had to remove her SIM now. She had to remove her SIM card from the phone. And the guy took the phone from her. This is like the height of embarrassment.
I'm trying so hard not to say what I want to say, but what's actually what? So here's the thing, right? After all my relationships, right?
Your relationships. What's the body count?
As I was saying, after my breakups, right? I don't think
breakups.
Can you allow me?
Your life is very interesting.
My life is broken.
Hey, go on.
Right? I usually don't go back to my exes to say, give me what I bought you. Or whatever.
So I feel like this is
right?
this guy's reaction.
No, but the fact is that, to be honest, right? I also don't blame the guys that do this.
What?
Yes. What the problem I have?
Ooh.
No, chill. The problem I have is the approach, right? The approach is the problem I have. You can tell the person to come to your house and bring whatever it's. I don't know how you want to do it.
Why would you return it?
That's my for my Shebi. Before I started saying this, and I said something. I said, for me, my brain doesn't even process it.
I think it's wrong. So do you think?
Why do you think it's wrong?
Do you think okay? Wait, here's the question.
So I go spend my money, buy you iPhone. You go dey chill with another guy.
No, but we broke up now.
And he might be on your trenches.
Okay, here's the thing. So here's the scenario.
Give me that iPhone you're using to snap that on your trenches here. Bring it here.
So here's the scenario. You are in love with somebody.
I gotta bring the iPhone.
You got her like this iPhone because the love of my life. And then you guys grew apart. You did not work out. You guys broke up. You know how to go and collect the iPhone you bought.
Why? Get my point though. For me, I wouldn't do it. But I'm also saying that
okay,
the guys that do it, I don't know if I have a problem with them, to be honest.
Do you think it's right or wrong to collect something from your partner? It could go both ways.
I think it's wrong. But I'm saying that people that also do it, I cannot judge them because you don't know what the guy passed through to get whatever it is he got for you.
Money, you've given it to her now as a gift now. Like you give something to somebody, she did not coerce it from you. You gave me.
You coerced it.
No,
You
the
use
love.
love. You know the year when they talk say you be only, you steal my heart. That one no be cursing.
No, now. But like, okay, so here's
Don't
the
mind me, don't mind me.
conversation. I think everybody, yeah, we do irrational things when we break up, especially when the wound is fresh.
Yeah, to be honest. Yeah. So, but the problem I have is, how would you actually know a particular stuff is perfect if you've not seen another stuff, right? So, how would I know iPhone is this? So, probably, like, for example,
Someone is good for you is that someone is good for you.
when I was using Android,
But do you break up with people because you want to try?
No, I don't break. Hold on. But if you don't see another, if you don't give yourself the opportunity to see another person,
So
how
I
would
feel
you know
like-
this person? You can't even compare.
But why would you need to compare when you have what you want?
How do you know what you want is what you want if you've not compared? Do you understand?
So I don't think you can compare it to non-living elements like what your
It's
best
the
food.
same
No,
thing.
it's not. Let's just say, for instance, that we're in a relationship. I make you very happy, you make me very happy. And I think breakups happen because, let's say, either partner finds a reason to leave, or both of them decide, okay, at this point, I don't think we're enjoying each other anymore. Let's just go our separate ways. So if there's no reason for that, you like me, I like you. You're in love with me, I'm in love with you. You're watching me, I'm watching you grow. I'm rooting for you. Like, there's no reason to look outside. So why do you have to? So unless you're saying that you feel you want to have like you want to eat egusi ogbono or have vegetable before you now say, oh wait, it was ogbono all along.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing, right? If I have like 10 options, and by the time I've checked everything, I choose one. Do you know what is going to happen? Eventually, if anything happens in the future, I'll be like, fam, I chose 1 out of 10. Why do you think you're going to shake me back into the rest again?
Okay, so you.
But here you are. You're
feel
saying
that
for
you're
you
with-
is 1 for 1. If something happens, how
something like what?
I don't know in future. How about in future? Because there was this American movie, right, where she said, we started dating from high school and we got married. I've never seen another man. I've never lived with another man. I've never had sex with another man. Kiniko, it's beginning to get boring, right? So what if in future you wake, him I don't mind, brain
You wake up and you're
I know
bored.
get that cost or wire.
You wake up and you're
Thank you.
bored,
And you
right?
wake up and you're
But
like,
even if you've
what am I doing here?
Even if you've dated 50 people, there's a possibility that the person you decided to marry, you're going to wake up and you're bored.
Your resistance is going to be higher than the person that just dated one person and woke.
No.
Do you know what she's going to be thinking?
No.
What if my problem is this guy? What if this one?
No.
If I've dated
unless
50
you've
people,
not-
there are some
no.
actions I've done that are recurrent. If I'm waking up and I'm thinking this
not
person is not the
given
right
me-
person, I have a problem.
You've not
I'm the
given
person
me
that has the problem.
enough reason. So I'm saying that.
I can't even give you enough.
No, I'm
reason.
saying that you're in a happy relationship. There's no reason to look outside. This person.
I'm going to stay inside it.
That's what I'm saying. Are you going to leave just because variety?
I'm not going to leave.
Ige leave. Or did it Okay, so guys, so to actually come back to the topic of our conversation, which is like the craziest thing you've done after you break up. So we put out a question sticker on Instagram on our page, and people shared the craziest things they've done, like after they freshly broke up with their partner. So we're going to be reading out some so that everybody can hear. Are you ready? Let's go. This first one says, I took a bus from Enugu to Abuja with just my handbag. Sat at the window side and cried till we got to Abuja. Took a bus back to Enugu the next day.
I don't understand. Where did the breakup happen?
In Enugu now.
Ooh, wait. Okay, wait. The breakup happened in Enugu and she took a bus back to Abuja.
She took a bus from Enugu to Abuja. Sat by the window side.
Get call just to cry.
You know when you put your earpiece and then, you know, it's like a road trip now. Like everybody's passing like...
And this girl, if you don't walk out from Abuja, come Enugu, they knock and break up. She enter another bus. Guy, breakfast.
Breakfast, don't be your mate.
Ah.
So this one says, probably cry myself to sleep.
This is a
and
girl.
Then, and then open a fake account to stop.
Let's do this thing, right? When you read them, I'll tell you whether it's the gender. I'm sure this is a girl.
He's actually a guy.
He in the mad.
He now said open a fake account. So you guys talk a lot. Because I know that...
No. Let's talk about something. I think I'm abnormal.
And then all of a sudden,
I think I'm
fake
abnormal.
accounts were watching my stories.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Y'all are stalkers.
Let me tell you the problem. Do you know why I said I think I'm abnormal? If I break up, do you know what I do? Because I've, learning curve, doing something over and over again and knowing how to do it better. It takes this trajectory for me. I first, and I always say it, right? Anything I do when I break up with you that is not directly affecting my ex negatively is not wrong.
Affecting your
directly
ex.
affecting my ex negatively is not wrong.
Anything you do that's not affecting the person
Yeah,
you
after
just broke
breakup,
up with.
directly, negatively, or directly
The person
directing
you
the
just
person.
broke up with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like directly affecting the person negatively is not wrong.
Okay.
Now let me explain what I mean by that. I have the right to block you. I have the
Okay.
right to restrict you from viewing my Instagram,
stories.
my stories. I have the right to hide you. You don't even know these activities are going because I'm doing it for my own sanity, right? But whatever it is I do that directly affects you is wrong. People don't know how to heal after breakup. I know a girl. What she does after breakup is just to, what's that thing called again? Bounce. What's that thing? Rebound, right? She feel just if
My
she
babe.
she feel just see you for ShopRite. Hey, what's your name? I love you. I know I've always what's your name, Emeka? I like the name Emeka when I don't begin dates.
So the next person says, so you tell me whether it's a guy or a girl. Eat better abacha with 7-Up after blocking the number.
Yeah, a guy.
It's actually a girl.
What is wrong with work first? I think you're the problem. Which kind of friends you know? Girl, we go talk about if this girl no be trenches. Oh yeah. If this girl no be tea baby, make I die. Why would a girl break up and the next thing that is coming to her head is eat abacha and what? 7-Up. She says 7-Up.
There's no 7-Up again.
There's no 7-Up again.
Okay, guys, it's been a very fun episode. Like, my lips literally hurt. So let us know in the comment section, what is the craziest thing you've done after you break up? If you don't want to review yourself, just send it to me if I DM, and we're going to share in the episodes to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at Nigeria Wedding Diary. See you at next episode. And please remember that if there's something you want us to talk about, there's this topic that you want us to talk about, or something that you feel like, we should shed more light on, let us know in the comments, and it will be our next episode.
Peace.
Hallelujah.